discuss the first chapter, sets. In our day-to-day life, we can across collection of objects of a particular type such as days in a week, month in a year, playing cards in a pack, and etc. Such collection are mathematically terms as sets. It means a set is a gathering together into a whole of definite distinct object of our perceptions and of our thought, which are called element of the sets. Suppose A means 1, 2, 3, 4, this type. Here A is a set and these are the element of sets. Means in short, a set is a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined collection of objects. It means suppose we can speak sofa set or set of real numbers or set of all integers or the vowel in the English alphabet. Means suppose take a part A equals to A, E, I, O, U. These letters belongs to vowels in English alphabet. It means here A, E, I, O, U are the element of this A. It means suppose A is a whole family. Means this part is a whole family or these are the members of this family. It is known as element. Means A, E, I, O, U are the element of A. Means this family. Generally, sets is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, and elements of a sets are represented by small letters A, E, A, B, C, D. Means these are the sets and these are the element. And A, suppose A is a element of a set A, we can say A belongs to A. It means generally it is belongs to, noted by this type. It is a Greek letter. Generally we can say belongs to or epsilon, or it is this type, means E and this. All the elements of a set are listed and elements are being separated by commas and are enclosed within the bracket. Suppose this type A is a set and this one, this bracket means this A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D are the element or A is a set. A is a set means here B belongs to A. But suppose we can write B does not belongs to A. It is wrong. Means belongs की sign ये and this one is a does not belongs. Suppose in this case we can write E belongs to A means it is a E does not belongs to A means simple सी चीज B is a element of A में B is a member of A. B जो है इस सेट का इस फैमिली का एलिमेंट है एंड E इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू ए मीन्स E इस फैमिली का मेंबर नहीं है एलिमेंट नहीं है. And next topic is a representation of a sets. Generally, a set can be represented in two forms. First is a roster form. Roster or tabular form. जैसा नाम से समझ में आ रहा टेबुलर means suppose in this form we represent a set by listing all the elements of the sets and the elements are being separated by commas and enclosed within braces. It means suppose let A be the set of all letters in the word maths. It means suppose A is a set and maths means M A T H S. In this form all the elements are listed separately. मीन्स अपन सपोज जो भी जैसे सपोज अगर बात कर रहे हैं कि सपोज n इज अ नेचुरल नंबर सेट्स ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर. इट मीन्स क्या हो रहा है इसमें n मीन्स लिख रहे हैं तो कैसा मिल रही है 1 2 3 4 इस टाइप से. जब हम ये पैटर्न इस पार्ट को इस पैटर्न में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिए देन इट इज अ टेबुलर फॉर्म और रोस्टर फॉर्म. मीन्स इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर लिस्टेड एंड सेपरेटेड विथ कॉमास एंड बाउंडेड बाय द ब्रशेस. सेकेंड फॉर्म सेट बिल्डअप फॉर्म. सेट बिल्डअप फॉर्म. In this form, we describe the element of set by using a symbol x such that means suppose such that use कर रहे हैं such that it means this types of 2 points means in this form element of the set using a symbol such that or vertical bar. Then we write the characteristic property of possessed by the element of a set and enclose the whole description within the braces. Suppose we take A equals to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. It means here A describe the X किस टाइप का है इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट के वॉवेल्स हैं. मीन्स अगर सपोज इसको अपन टेबुलर फॉर्म में यूज कर रहे हैं तो A इक्वल्स टू हम शो कर सकते हैं AEIOU. मीन्स दिस इज ए टेबुलर फॉर्म और रोस्टर फॉर्म. बस दिस टाइप इज अ set builder form. Set builder form. Suppose take another example. B is a set X such that X equals to 2n and n belongs to capital N means natural numbers and n vary from 1 to 5 सपोज देखना इस केस में इट इज अ सेट बिल्डअप फॉर्म। सपोज अगर इसकी बात कर रहे हैं मीन्स एक्स किस टाइप का, एक्स इक्वल टू क्या है 2n और n कहां से कहां तक वेरी हो रहा 1 to 5। सपोज एक्स इक्वल टू 2n मीन्स 2 फर्स्ट एलिमेंट। जब सपोज n इक्वल टू 2 हुआ तो 2 2 जा 4 एंड n इक्वल टू 3 हुआ तो 3 2 जा 6, n इक्वल टू 4 हुआ तो 4 2 जा 8 एंड n इक्वल टू 5 हुआ तो 5 2 जा 10। मीन्स दिस इज अ टेबुलर फॉर्म और दिस इज अ सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म। दिस इज अ टेबुलर और रोस्टर फॉर्म। मीन्स ये जो फॉर्म मिल रहा है तुम्हें इट इज अ कॉल्ड सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म। in this form characteristic property possessed by the element of the sets